What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, General Mkhwanazi is gone, like at Senzo Mchunu again, and this time around he is tackling both Senzo Mchunu and Ramaphosa both at the same time. So, General Mkhwanazi was questioning Senzo Mchunu's decision to classify a report on Ramaphosa's Phala farm scandal is top secret. So there is a report, which looked into the Phala farm, and that report was classified as top secret by Senzo Mchunu. So General Mkhwanazi was coming in here at the ad hoc committee and questioning that decision by Senzo Mchunu to classify that report as top secret. So he was saying it's not appropriate, for this report to be classified as top secret because it undermines transparency and accountability within government institutions. So General Mkhwanazi was going further to say Senzo Mchunu did not have proper security clearance to make this decision. So looking at that report, it investigated, the misconduct which related to the incident at the Phala farm, including claims of defeating the ends of justice, unlawful interrogation, bribery, kidnapping, etc. So by classifying the report as Senzo Mchunu as top secret, classifying that report, Mkhwanazi was arguing that the public and parliament were denied critical information that is essential for holding law enforcement accountable. So you can see that Senzo Mchunu is in serious trouble here. When he appears before the ad hoc committee, he now has to explain the first one, that is disbanding the PKTT, and now he has to explain himself on this Phala farm report as to why he classified it as top secret. I'll catch you guys on the next one.